Here are 101 facts about Tesla that you probably didn't know. Nikola Tesla, the inventor after whom the company is named, wasn't involved in the founding or operation of Tesla Motors. The company's name was actually inspired by his pioneering work in electrical engineering. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, initially wanted to name the company Faraday after Michael Faraday, another influential figure in electromagnetism, but the trademark was already taken. The Tesla Model S was the first electric car to offer over-the-air software updates, allowing for continuous improvement and new features without needing to visit a dealership. Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada is one of the largest buildings in the world by footprint, covering over 5.3 million square feet. The Model X SUV features bioweapon defense mode, a HEPA air filtration system capable of removing pollen, bacteria, and pollution from the cabin air. Tesla's autopilot feature, while advanced, still requires the driver to keep their hands on the wheel and remain alert. It's not fully autonomous. The Model 3's minimalist interior design, with a single touchscreen display for nearly all controls, was a departure from traditional automotive interiors. Tesla's Roadster, launched in 2008, was the first production electric car to use lithium-ion battery cells. SpaceX, another company founded by Elon Musk, used a modified Tesla Roadster as a dummy payload for the Falcon Heavy rocket's maiden flight in 2018, sending it into orbit around the Sun. The Tesla Model Y's heat pump system improves efficiency in cold weather by capturing waste heat from the vehicle's components and using it to warm the cabin. Tesla's supercharger network, with thousands of stations worldwide, allows for rapid charging of Tesla vehicles, providing up to 200 miles of range in as little as 15 minutes. Tesla's Model S achieved the highest safety rating of any car ever tested by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA. The Model X features Falcon Wing doors, which open upwards instead of outwards, providing easier access in tight parking spaces. Tesla's referral program rewards owners with prizes like limited edition cars, Powerwalls, and even free supercharging credits for referring new customers. The company's Powerwall home battery storage system allows homeowners to store energy from solar panels or the grid for use during peak demand times or power outages. Tesla's vehicles are designed with a focus on sustainability, using vegan materials in their interiors and incorporating recycled materials where possible. The Model S Plaid, Tesla's high-performance variant, boasts a range of over 520 miles on a single charge, making it one of the longest-range electric vehicles on the market. Tesla's vehicles have set numerous world records for electric vehicle range and performance on tracks and in real-world driving conditions. The company's full self-driving (FSD) package aims to eventually enable fully autonomous driving capabilities, though regulatory approval and technical challenges remain hurdles. Tesla's battery technology continues to evolve, with improvements in energy density, charging speed, and longevity driving down costs and increasing range. Tesla's Cybertruck, with its futuristic design and stainless steel body, generated massive pre-order interest despite initial skepticism from some industry observers. The company's AutoBidder platform allows owners of Tesla energy products to participate in energy markets, selling excess electricity back to the grid or to other consumers. Tesla's acquisition of SolarCity in 2016 allowed the company to offer integrated solar energy solutions alongside its electric vehicles and energy storage products. The Model S's ludicrous mode acceleration can propel the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, rivaling some of the world's fastest supercars. Tesla's vehicle software includes Easter eggs and hidden features, such as a Santa mode that turns the road into a winter wonderland on the navigation display during the holidays. The company's manufacturing processes, including its extensive use of robots and automation, have been both praised for efficiency and criticized for their complexity. Tesla's Roadster 2.0, slated for release in the near future, promises even more impressive performance figures, including a claimed 0 to 60 uptime of under 1.9 seconds. The Model X's windshield is the largest piece of glass ever used in a production car, providing expansive views for both front and rear passengers. Tesla's vehicles use regenerative braking, which recaptures energy during deceleration and feeds it back into the battery, increasing efficiency and extending range. The company's solar roof tiles, which resemble traditional roofing materials but contain embedded solar cells, offer a more aesthetically pleasing alternative to traditional solar panels. Tesla's electric motors are incredibly compact and lightweight compared to traditional internal combustion engines, contributing to the vehicle's agility and performance. The Model E's versatile interior design includes a spacious cargo area with a second-row seating configuration that can be folded flat for added storage capacity. Tesla's vehicles feature a large touchscreen interface that controls everything from climate settings to entertainment options, providing a modern and intuitive user experience. The company's bioweapon defense mode was initially developed to protect against pollution from wildfires but has since been repurposed for general air quality improvement. Tesla's battery technology is not only used in its vehicles but also in its energy storage products, grid-scale projects, and even residential backup power solutions. The company's gigafactories are designed to be highly energy efficient, with solar panels, on-site battery storage, and other sustainable features reducing their environmental impact. Tesla's Roadster holds the record for the longest distance traveled by an electric vehicle on a single charge, covering over 600 miles in a real-world test. The Model S panoramic sunroof extends from the windshield to the rear window, providing an open and airy feel to the cabin. Tesla's vehicles feature advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, to help reduce driver fatigue and improve safety. The company's supercharger network is powered by renewable energy sources such as solar and wind, further reducing the environmental impact of charging electric vehicles. Tesla's vehicles undergo rigorous testing, including extreme temperature testing, crash testing, and durability testing, to ensure they meet the highest safety and quality standards. The company's solar panels are designed to seamlessly integrate with its energy storage products, allowing homeowners to maximize their use of clean, renewable energy. Tesla's vehicles are designed with aerodynamics in mind, with features like flush door handles and underbody panels to reduce drag and improve efficiency. The Model X's Falcon Wing doors are equipped with sensors to prevent them from hitting objects or obstacles when opening or closing. Tesla's vehicles feature a dog mode that keeps the cabin at a comfortable temperature for pets when their owners are away, displaying a message on the touchscreen to reassure passersby. The company's vehicle production process is highly automated, with robots performing tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly to increase efficiency and quality. Tesla's vehicles are equipped with multiple cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar systems to provide a 360-degree view of their surroundings and enable advanced driver assistance features. The Model S's all-wheel drive system uses dual motors, one for the front axle and one for the rear, to provide improved traction and performance in all weather conditions. Tesla's vehicles feature an insane mode acceleration setting, which delivers neck-snapping acceleration that rivals some of the world's fastest sports cars. The company's supercharger stations are strategically located along popular travel routes, allowing Tesla owners to take long-distance trips with ease and minimal charging downtime. Tesla's vehicles are designed with a focus on performance, with features like low center of gravity, precise steering, and instant torque delivery, contributing to their sporty driving dynamics. The Model X's air suspension system can automatically adjust ride height based on driving conditions, providing a smooth and comfortable ride regardless of terrain. Tesla's vehicles are equipped with advanced thermal management systems to regulate battery temperature and optimize performance in extreme weather conditions. The company's autopilot feature uses advanced computer vision and machine learning algorithms to interpret and respond to the vehicle's surroundings in real time. Tesla's vehicles feature a Sentry mode that uses the car's cameras to record and alert owners to potential security threats, such as break-ins or vandalism. The Model S's expansive touchscreen display can be used to access a wide range of entertainment options, including streaming music, videos, and games. Tesla's vehicles are designed with a focus on sustainability, using materials like recycled aluminum and responsibly sourced wood in their construction. The company's autopilot feature includes advanced safety features such as automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, and blind spot monitoring to help prevent accidents. Tesla's vehicles are designed to be highly customizable, with options for different paint colors, wheel designs, interior finishes, and performance upgrades. The Model S's Chill mode reduces throttle response for a smoother and more relaxed driving experience, ideal for city driving or when transporting passengers. Tesla's vehicles feature a camp mode that allows owners to turn their car into a temporary shelter, with climate control and power outlets for camping or outdoor activities. The company's vehicles are equipped with a front trunk, in addition to a traditional rear trunk, providing extra storage space for luggage or groceries. Tesla's vehicles feature a valet mode that limits performance, restricts access to personal information, and records video footage when the car is in the care of a valet or service technician. The Model S's panoramic sunroof is made of tinted glass with UV and infrared protection, providing a comfortable interior temperature and reducing glare. Tesla's vehicles feature a summon feature that allows owners to remotely move their car in and out of tight parking spaces using the Tesla